प्रकृतिं परमाम् अभयां वरदां नररूपधरां जनतापहरां शरणागतसेवकतोषकरीं प्रणमामि परां जननीं जगताम्. This is the song written by Swami Abhedananda for Ma Sharada Devi, the divine consort of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So today is the Mother's Day. I wish it is a Parents' Day than Mother's Day and Father's Day, but there may be a reason why they have made it like that. I just want to share few things about mothers. Mothers are always associated with sacrifices to be made, little to big, but I feel that it's not the mother, but the motherhood is more important than being a mother. Motherhood is more a feeling of motherliness towards not only your children, but anything that you feel, where you need to be kind, you need to, give the kind of nourishment. Mother is always associated with the nourishment. See, whenever you, eat a good meal, the first thing you remember is your, mother. So my mother is the best cook, or my mother, there's no one who can do something, more than as delicious as my mother does. So these are the things that we all have. I remember my mother always, getting up very early and trying to make sure that everything is set by the time, we get up, and small little things I still remember very vividly, that she was trying to help me, cross the road, and then she was trying to, I always try to impress her when she's sleeping. I wanted to do something. When she wakes up, I want to see that surprise in her eyes. So I used to do some naughty things like adding more water in the milk, and then thinking that the milk has become more, and then some such things where I remember doing it, but my mother never punished me. Especially physical punishment is something that I have never ever remembered that my mother has given me. Apart from that, I feel in the flow of life we all take our mothers for granted, and then we think that they are only meant to, take care of us, and then a lot of times, we think that we can speak whatever that comes to us at different points. Of course, maybe influenced by the situations, but more than anyone, your mother will know what you are strong at, and whatever the emotion that you show towards, be it positive emotion or negative emotion, it is your mother who is willing to take it patiently, bear with you. And then there are people who are, some of the youngsters, want to not become a mother for the fear of losing their careers. Of course, it may be their own choice. So to become a mother, not necessary that only you have to give birth. So there are many children who are motherless, and you can always think of adoption as a way. So had Kaikeyi never thought about sending Ram to the Vanavasam. The whole Ramayana would have not been there. So there is nothing like a bad mother. So mothers are always aware that what you are strong at and what you are weak at, and then they are willing to accommodate you. So no one can take that position and no one can replace that position, not the least, but we have to also recognize that mothers also have needs, they also have wishes, and it's important that you see that your mother has a life of her own, especially when you can afford to provide something better, that she has taken care of you all through thick and thin. It's important that you also need to take care of her when it is your turn. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day to all.